Alright, and I am back to show you the finished product, Dan, with rim right wheel repair powder coating. These just came out of the oven a little bit ago. As you can see, they're pretty well covered. Pretty nice smooth texture. We'll grab the laser gun here and see what they're cooling down to. When they came out, they were at 400, so they've dropped off quite a bit. You can actually watch as the temperature continues to fall here. These guns are amazing. This is a DeWalt brand. I think I got it off Amazon, but you can set your EMS, which is the reflectability of the light. When you're pointing at like gloss black and chromes and stuff, you have to be able to set it to different settings so that it's reading the actual temperature instead of bouncing off and reading like the side of your oven. But those are really handy to figure out when your part's at temperature so you can start your curing clock. So I recommend, even if you don't get this exact brand, to look for one. Once these are done, we'll pop them off the tray. Still a little too hot to touch, but basically you just pop them off. We clean up the edge by sanding it lightly, just so that when the consumer goes to drink, they aren't cutting their lip or anything on it. These are going to a customer who ordered them. We don't do a lot of cups anymore, but we do them when we're requested to. Back here you can see the Mrs. and Mr. cups that are going out for a wedding. We've got another two here. We've got a lot of weddings this year, so they make good gifts. So not only are we selling them, but we're giving them away as gifts to friends, family, that sort of thing. So any questions or anything, again, please feel free to leave them. That's kind of what this is for. We want to help newbies out. Make sure to subscribe. We're just going to keep cranking out more and more content for everyone, and they're going to be short videos like this. So hope to see you on the next one, and we'll talk to you later.